You can easily manage your card in the app, and we'll show you how. To lock your card, select the account from the home screen. Then tap the menu. Tap to toggle on for temporarily lock card. You'll be prompted with info on what this feature covers. Tap Temporarily Lock Card to continue. Now your card is locked and protected, whether it's wandered to somewhere in your house or into the great unknown. But if you realise your card was just playing hide and seek, you can easily unlock it again. Just tap to toggle off and unlock card. Or if your card decided to go on a bigger adventure, leaving you cardless, toggle off to unlock your card, and we'll show you how to get a new card instead. On the same screen, tap Report Lost, Stolen or Damaged Card. Then tap Report Lost or Stolen Card, or Report Damaged Card if you still have your card but it's stopped working. Important information, depending on your selection, will pop up before you continue. Enter the SMS code for verification. Double check your details are correct, then tap Report Lost or Stolen Card. And you're done. Your new card is on its way to you.